How to enable Google Authenticator on Binance app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we are going to be enabling our Google Authenticator on the Binance app in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to enable the actual Google Authenticator on your Binance, you're going to, go through a few steps. Okay. So the first step that we're going to go through is we're going to actually go over to Binance.com and we're going to log in with our Binance. Okay. So once you've logged in, you're going to come here and you're going to click on the profile icon and you're going to go over to security. Now, once you go over to security, obviously your Google Authenticator comes down into your two-factor authorization. So what you can do to get into your two-factor authorization is basically it's going to look something like this. Okay, these are your two-factor authorization pages, and up here in two-factor authorization, it's going to give you an option which is obviously going to say Binance/Google Authenticator. So you're going to tap or toggle on the button of Google Authenticator and you will see a 16-digit backup key on the screen. So you are going to want to make sure to save this key on paper and store it in a secure location. In case you lose your device, this key will allow you to recover it. Now, moving on, what you are going to do is you're going to go ahead, copy the codes, open the Authenticator app on your phone. You're going to enter a setup key, which is obviously going to be the key that they give you that I made you copy. And yeah, from there on out, you are going to enable both those. And that is how you're going to set up your Google Authenticator with your Binance in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.